Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to show off a quick and easy mod for your 4th Gen Tacoma. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we have a 2024 4th Gen Tacoma SR5, and this is the grille that comes on it. Basically, it's just kind of a generic plastic, not painted, just black plastic, kind of a satin matte finish to it. And we are going to replace this grille with the Toyota TRD Pro grille. There are 2 versions of this grille. For the Pro model, it's gloss black, silver Toyota lettering, heritage lettering. There also is a Trailhunter version of it, which is the same exact grille, has the 20-inch light bar cut out, but it's more of a satin finish, and it has bronze Toyota lettering. So if you, depending on your exterior color, that may be a better option if you don't like gloss. But this is a black truck. We wanted to go ahead and use the Pro grille. It's a little bit more, a little fancier, better looking, I think. So what we're going to do is kind of highlight just a couple upgrades. First of all, besides just the general aesthetic of deleting the Toyota sombrero, we're going to the heritage style. You're going to have the ability for any 20-inch light bar of your choice. And when I say any, I would say any single row light bar. I don't know that a Baja is going to fit in here just because they're a little bigger, but any Diode Dynamics or rigid single row light bar, and I'm sure many others would fit in here perfectly fine. This being an SR5 trim level, does not have the 360-degree camera. This grille obviously does have a camera cutout because it's standard on a TRD Pro model. With that said, if you do this mod, you are going to be looking at having a blank circle there. In this case, because this truck is a brand new truck, it's not, you know, we're not doing this for another customer. There's a good chance that somebody's going to complain about having a hole there. So we went ahead and did replace, or did order the Toyota OEM camera and put it in there just as a placeholder. I don't know that I would recommend that for someone doing a DIY mod, because this little camera is over $100. And really it's something that could just be 3D printed very easily for almost nothing. But we will go ahead and link to the upgraded grille along with the Trailhunter grille and the camera in the comment section below. If anybody wants to buy it, they are discounted. This grille does retail for a little bit under $500, and we have it on our website right now for $330. That price is subject to change based on how much the cost is from Toyota. But this is an OEM grille, not an aftermarket grille. So kind of showing it off on the truck. One thing, it does change the overall dynamic and look of the truck a lot. This is, again, SR5 trim level. So you have the gloss black that matches the paint itself. Toyota heritage and silver. One little additional upgrade that we did on this truck that I'll show off too is we did change the wheels. This video is really more about talking about the grille, but one thing that I will point out, this is the SR5 trim level comes with a silver 17-inch wheel. This is an 18-inch Toyota TRD 4th Gen Tacoma accessory wheel. It is an 18-inch, but we did go ahead and replace the center cap. Being a TRD wheel and this not being a TRD truck, we didn't want to have the TRD center cap on this wheel. So we did elect to go with the Toyota Heritage center cap. This center cap, it also says Toyota, just like the grille, in silver, so the colors match up perfectly too. And the colors kind of match up nicely to the exterior trim bead of the wheel. All in all, if you do this grille, this would be a nice upgrade if your wheel does support this exact center cap. And we'll link this Toyota OEM part number in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys like it, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Tacoma content.